So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's video we are going to talk about the 30th December 2021 IELTS exam prediction. And first of all, I just want to thank you guys. Today we reached our first 100 subscribers, and I just want to thank you all of the 100 subscribers who subscribed to my channel. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon, right? Okay, so let's just start today's video. So let's just talk about listening. In listening part 1 we can see fill-ups, right? In the part 2 there could be MCQs and map, and for the part 3 there could be match the information, match the right information or long MCQs. And for the part 4 we can see fill-ups. And talking about the level of listening, according to me the level of listening would be easy, right? And make sure to be prepared for fast listening. Okay, now let's just talk about reading. For the reading section 1 we can see true, false, not given and MCQs. For the section 2, headings and match the following information can be seen. For the section 3 we can see long MCQs, summary along with the matching correct information. So the level of the reading according to me would be easy to moderate. Now let's just talk about writing task 1. For the writing task 1, there are chances that we can see map, bar and process in the writing task 1. And the writing task 2, you can prepare agree, disagree, discuss both views and advantages and disadvantages. This was the prediction of 30th December 2021 IELTS exam. That's all. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming updates. So thank you guys.